Hello, everybody. My name is Leah Xavier, and this is going to be my formal analysis on Girl Before a Mirror painting by Pablo Picasso. This painting was created in 1932, oil on canvas. Um, it was created in Picasso's hometown of Paris, France. And this is this painting belongs to the Cubism and Surrealism art period. And you can actually visit this piece in person in the Museum of Modern Art in New York City today. So for this painting, it may take a few minutes to kind of really figure out what's going on, because it is kind of hectic, really. Um, but there are several different theories about this painting. And just a side note, the young woman in this painting is actually Picasso's mistress, Marie-Therese Walter. And he liked to paint her. He painted her several times in a few different works. Um, so the first, one of the theories about this painting is on the left-hand side, this woman, half of her face is like more dolled up with makeup, and then the left-hand side is yellow and rough looking. So this theory is that she after the day's over, she has taken off her mask, aka her makeup, and she is showing her real self. She's becoming vulnerable. And then another theory is that this young woman is looking into the mirror and seeing an older version of herself, like as an elder. Just with the way that the face in the mirror on the right hand side is um kind of like showing some age with the coloring that he did. And then one of the other theories is that this young woman could be looking into this mirror and she is seeing all of her biggest insecurities that nobody else in the world can see. Only she can see these insecurities. I think Pablo Picasso did a really great job in this work of Cubism. He really created a sense of balance with the two figures on both sides. Even though being in a mirror, she's, you know, about the same height. Um, he was able to use variety very well, variety of all the vibrant colors, really pulls it together. Um, and like I said about the balance, he did a great job at balancing out, um, proportioning the painting. And that concludes my formal analysis of Girl Before a Mirror by Pablo Picasso. Thank you.